So we're going to be using Trinket to basically draw. First thing I'm going to teach you guys is how to make a line. So let's go ahead and name our Trinket draw line. I'll capitalize it. Now the first thing we want to do is we have to call upon the Python turtle library. And in order to do that, we got to import the library by typing import and then turtle. And what this will do, it's going to give us all commands available for the turtle library. Okay. The next thing you want to do is you want to name your turtle. I'm going to name my turtle after myself, so I'm going to name it Mr. Lemus. And so in order to name your turtle, you're going to type the name. For me, it's going to be Mr. Lemus. And so I'm going to make that name equal to my turtle. And you have to do turtle again, capital letters, and then open and close parentheses. And so this line, which I'll call line number 3, names the turtle Mr. Lemus. Now, if you wanted to name it Tina, instead of typing Mr. Lemus, you would type Tina equals turtle.turtle. And now we can draw our line. And so in order to draw your line, you got to call your turtle. And since my turtle is Mr. Lemus, I'm going to call it out Mr. Lemus. But I'm going to show you what happens if I make a mistake. Well, we'll see. I'm going to tell my turtle to go forward. Now, if you guys can look, you guys can see that I typed the turtle name wrong. But we're going to make it forward. I'm going to make it go forward 100 pixels. And so that this code right here, I'm going to click run, and what happens? And it tells me there's an error. And it actually highlights the line of code that has the error, and you can be, oops, I made a mistake. I typed the name of the turtle wrong. So let me fix it. Now let me move this over this way so we can see the turtle. And now there's our line. And so I made the turtle go forward 100 pixels. If I change it to 200, it's going to make the turtle go forward 200. And that's how you make a line. Now, how do you save this project? Well, in order to save it, you're going to click Save. Now, we already changed the name. You're going to click Save. And our project here is saved. And then you can share it if you want to share it with your teacher. You can actually create folders. You can make a copy. And if you make any changes, you click Save. And that's how you make a line using Python Trinket.